Stephen Watson here with Rebel Auction, here to tell you exciting news about our auction coming up this Thursday, August 25th. We're starting at 9 a.m. We'll be selling out of 2 rings, selling all day long. We're going to have a ring 1 and a ring 2. Ring 1's going to have big items like the trucks like you see in the background, and we'll have the smaller items in ring 2 and miscellaneous items. Also like to mention to you about our cat scrapers we have here from one consigner, one of the largest grading companies in North Georgia, sent down here 13 621F and E model scrapers. Nowhere else in the country can you go and buy those kind of scrapers. The 621s are hard to find, well proven. Every big contractor needs these scrapers. It's ones to have. Thought about having an auction of your very own? Give myself or Larry Davis or any of the Rebel Auction representatives, give us a call and talk to us. My number is 478-288-2072, or you can log on to rebelauction.net.